Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate hop to the best travel tips and adventures around the world. Today, we're leaping into the beautiful island paradise of Aruba. Whether you're planning your first trip or just curious about this Caribbean gem, stick with me as I bounce through 15 essential things you absolutely need to know before you dive into the crystal clear waters and sunny beaches of Aruba. So grab your sunscreen and your sense of adventure, let's get hopping. First up, let's talk about money. Aruba's official currency is the Aruban florin, but here's a little kangaroo tip. US dollars are accepted almost everywhere. That said, you'll notice prices can be listed in either florins or US dollars, so always check your menus carefully to avoid surprises. The exchange rate hovers around $1 to 1.75 florins. Paying in florins might save you a few cents if your bank offers a good exchange rate. Credit cards? They're accepted everywhere and always charged in US dollars, so no worries there. Just remember to carry some cash for those charming food stalls where cards aren't accepted. Now, where should you stay? The best spots are on Aruba's west coast. Think Palm Beach, Eagle Beach, and Divi Beach. These areas put you right in the heart of the action with stunning beaches, resorts, and fantastic restaurants. A little kangaroo hop away from city buzz, but close enough to enjoy it all. Just a heads up, Manchego Beach is a bit rougher, so if you want calm waters perfect for floating and swimming, stick to the other beaches. Speaking of floating, here's a fun tip. Bring along an inflatable lounger or floating chair. Imagine yourself kicking back in the warm ocean, a cool drink in hand. Pure paradise. And if snorkeling's your thing, pack your mask and fins. The Baby Beach and Tres Tropi areas offer beautiful snorkeling with turtles and tropical fish. But if your stay is mainly around Palm or Eagle Beach, you can leave the gear behind since the marine life there is less abundant. Getting around Aruba is a breeze. You can hop on the bus for just $2.60 a ride, perfect for short trips between hotels and beaches or into Oranjestad, the charming capital. The bus stops are easy to find, and schedules are available online. But if you want to explore beyond the main tourist spots, renting a car is the way to go. For about $32 a day, you can discover hidden gems like the Casibari rock formations or enjoy wine tasting at Alto Vista. For off-road adventures to places like the Natural Pool, you'll need a 4x4 vehicle. Don't worry, there are affordable options around $90 a day. What about the weather? Aruba boasts steady sunshine with temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit all year round. It's dry and breezy, perfect for those beach days without sticky humidity. Rain is rare and usually passes in a quick shower during the rainy season from September through December. And here's a friendly kangaroo caution. The sun is strong. Apply sunscreen often. Every 80 minutes is the sweet spot. And don't forget your hat and sunglasses to keep cool and protected. Language barriers. Not here. Aruba's locals speak Papiamento, a colorful blend of languages, plus Dutch due to their history. But English and Spanish are widely spoken too, so you'll hop right into conversations without any trouble. Thirsty? Good news, Aruba's tap water is safe to drink. Save some bucks and help the environment by bringing a reusable water bottle. Food lovers, get ready to drool. Seafood reigns supreme on this island. A must-try spot is Red Fish Restaurant. Their blackfish and shrimp dishes are so good they had us hopping back for seconds. Zerover offers fresh and affordable seafood with fantastic views, but be prepared for long lines. Don't miss trying Keshi Yena, Aruba's signature dish. A savory chicken casserole topped with melted Gouda cheese that will have you dreaming long after your trip ends. Now, let's talk safety. Aruba is one of the safest Caribbean islands out there. So safe that we felt comfortable leaving our belongings on the beach while snorkeling. Petty crime is rare, but keep an eye out for neighborhood dogs in residential areas. Some can be protective and may bark or follow you during walks. If you're staying in hotels or resorts, this won't be an issue. One thing we loved? The vibe on Aruba is super chill. Drivers are courteous and often stop to let pedestrians cross, even when there's no crosswalk. This laid-back atmosphere makes relaxing on the island even easier. If you're planning to shop for groceries or souvenirs, bring reusable bags. Aruba is hopping toward banning single-use plastics, so free plastic bags are no longer available. Bringing your own bag helps the environment and saves you money. For those tech-savvy kangaroos out there, Aruba uses North American-style electrical outlets, 120 volts with 2 flat parallel pins, so travelers from the US or Canada don't need adapters. If you're coming from Europe or elsewhere, pack your plug adapters. To wrap up our hopping tour through Aruba essentials, keep an eye on currency details, choose your beachside stay wisely, bring those snorkel fins and inflatables if you want to float like a pro, rent a car to explore beyond the resorts, protect yourself from that strong sun, savor local seafood delights, and relax knowing Aruba is safe and welcoming. Thanks for hopping along with Traveling Kangaroo today. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our travel adventures. Follow us on social media for daily doses of wanderlust and visit travelingkangaroo.com for even more tips and guides. Until next time, keep exploring and keep hopping. See you on the next adventure.